My baby.
So beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh. Wow.
Nice.
Wow. Definitely won the lottery.
That
Wow.
makes two of us.
Yeah.
So we need some.
Oh, thank you, baby. Wow. Beautiful. Oh, wow.
Alexandria Lynn, my best friend, my girlfriend, fiance, and now my wife. Today is the day we've both been waiting for. I can't wait to be standing up in front of you, in front of our loved ones, face to face, to say I do. 536 days ago, I asked you to marry me, and today is the day we both will never forget. I love you because you make me smile when I forget how to. Sometimes it's hard for me to find the words to tell you how much you mean to me. So if I had a choice between loving you or breathing, I would use my last breath to tell you, Alexandria Lynn, I love you. I love every laugh we've had together and every cry we've had together, and it's just not the end, because I always will be here to laugh and cry with you. I will always be here and never leave your side through all the challenges in life. I love you so much, Alexandria Lynn.
Michael, I cannot believe today is finally here, and in just a few short hours, I get to call you my husband. Today is simply a fairy tale because I have found the one whom my soul loves, my soulmate, best friend, and my partner in crime, you. I still remember the first day I knew you were destined to be mine forever. I was in some of my darkest days, confiding in you, my dear friend, and thought to myself, what a truly amazing man you are. My mind's first thought was to set you up with someone close to me that deserves someone great like you, but my heart immediately overruled my mind, and I remember thinking, I can't set this man up with anyone else, for he is destined to be mine. I am amazed every day that God gifted me with one of the most amazing, kind-hearted, thoughtful, generous, and loving people I have ever known to be my soulmate and life partner. I promise to spend every day cherishing you with my whole heart and to love you on good days and bad. Today is just the beginning of forever, and I cannot wait to have you by my side through all of life's trials, triumphs, and everything in between. I cannot wait to begin a family together, to see you become the best father to our children, and to continue building an amazing life together. Thank you for loving me unconditionally and for being my rock. I cannot wait for forever with you. I love you to the moon and back. Your soon-to-be wife, Allie.
I, Michael, take you, Allie, as my wife exactly as you are.
I, Michael, take you, Allie, as my wife exactly as you are.
I promise to love and cherish you, to be your teammate and biggest supporter. Love and cherish.
Love and cherish.
I promise to love and cherish
To be your teammate.
To be a teammate and the biggest supporter.
Doing too big of chunks for him.
Yeah.
I promise to love you today.
I promise
and
to
for
love you today.
all our days to come.
And for all of our days to come.
Through every year and every circumstance.
Through every year and every circumstance.
I will remain constant in my commitment to you.
I will remain constant to my commitment to you.
All right, Allie, your turn. I, Allie, take you, Michael, as my husband, exactly as you are.
I, Allie, take you, Michael, as my husband, exactly as you are.
I promise to love and cherish you.
I promise to love and cherish you.
To be your teammate and biggest supporter.
To be your teammate and biggest supporter.
I promise to love you today and for all our days to come.
I promise to love you today and for all of our days to come.
Through every year and every circumstance.
Through every year and every circumstance.
I will remain constant in my commitment to you.
I will remain constant in my commitment to you.
By the authority vested in me as a minister of the gospel, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Go ahead, Michael.
It's your friend.
All right. Well, give it up for Mr. and Miss Runyan.
If this time has taught us anything, it's that life is short and not guaranteed, and I'm glad that you both get to spend it with the person you love. I hope your faith remains a pillar in your marriage, and you always choose respect and kindness towards each other.
We always knew how much she wanted to find the right person and settle down and really start that part of her life. And as all of us know, sometimes that is hard to find. But she knew right away when she met Mike that he was going to be the one, and he knew pretty quickly too, and he locked that right down. Smart man.
Dine her, call her, hug her, support her, hold her, surprise her, compliment her, smile at her, listen to her, laugh with her, cry with her, romance her, believe in her, cuddle with her, shop with her, give her jewelry, buy her flowers, hold her hand, write love letters to her, go to the end of the earth and back for her. Allie, here's how to keep your husband happy. Just show up naked and bring bush apple. Thank you. Now let's raise our glasses and toast the newlyweds with a yee yee on 3. 1, 2, 3. Yee yee!